Welcome everyone to CG Studio. Today I'm in the workshop and I'll be working on the Polaroid SX-70. As you can see, the cover was a little bit old and I wanted to restore it, so I've been working on that. But the main thing was first to do the research on how to work on leather and what type of leather to buy, whether it's vegetable leather or chrome leather or combination of tanned leather. And I was able to get a store that sells scrap leather. The camera functions, it's a little bit tricky. I'm still to learn about the exposure and how to use it. I was given by a friend and it has been sitting on the shelf for quite a long time. I decided to buy the film, take a couple of pictures, but in the process I noticed that the cover was a little bit old and the leather had cracked. So an idea came in mind. I wanted to restore it, give it a new leather cover. Took me a couple of months to collect everything in order to start the process and to be able to restore the camera itself. It was an interesting project. I definitely want to work more on leather. I've learned a lot from YouTube, from different people who do leather art, and I might venture even a bit more into it because now I have the tools, I have the materials to use, and I have a little bit of knowledge. My finishing work was not 100%, especially on the edges, as you can see, but I'm happy with what I did. I'm happy with the results, and because I have the materials, I can always, once I use the camera and I see how it holds, I can always come back and change the materials. So research is very important, collecting of the materials, the tools, then you can do the creative work. A lot of times you come up with great ideas, and once we come up with the great ideas, we're excited and we don't have the tools, the materials and all these things. The idea is washed away. We lose the psyche of the idea. I hope you're enjoying the process, and it was an interesting process also for me to see it coming all the way to the end. Thank you for viewing, and remember to subscribe. You're always putting up new work, new ideas, new adventures.